अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। होप्स आप सब लोग ठीक ठाक होंगे और खैर वाफियत से होंगे। आप लोग देख रहे हैं स्टडी टाइम यूट्यूब चैनल। अल्लाह पाक आप सबको कामयाब करें। आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगी ऐसे माय फेवरेट पोइट अल्लामा इकबाल। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। लाइव्स ऑफ ग्रेट मैन ऑल रिमाइंडर्स वी कैन मेक आवर लाइफ सब्लाइम एंड डिपार्टिंग लीव बिहाइंड अस फुटप्रिंट्स ऑन द सैंड्स ऑफ टाइम। द आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ द आइडियोलॉजी ऑफ पाकिस्तान डॉक्टर अल्लामा इकबाल इज़ undoubtedly the great Islamic thinker of the modern times and one of the greatest of all time. He is great poet, philosopher, educationist, and reformer. He has made a lasting contribution to human thought. His poetic works have made him immortal. The poet's scrolls will outlive the monuments of stones. The genius survives all unless claimed by death. The poet of Islam was born into a middle class family at Sialkot. It was under the spiritual guidance of his father that the initial upbringing of Iqbal's mind took place. From the very beginning, Iqbal was a unique child. He started writing verses even during his school days and sent some of his poem to the Urdu poet for correction. Dag wrote back to Iqbal that his verses needed no correction at all. The child's vision leads him to the path he has to follow. In 1895, after completing his early education, Iqbal migrated to Lahore. Here, Sir Thomas Arnold introduced him to all that was best in the woman thought. Iqbal did his MA in philosophy in 1898 and joined the faculty of Government College. In 1905, Iqbal went to Europe for higher studies. He passed the bar examination in 1908 and was conferred upon the degree of a PhD by the University of Munich. On his return, he started his practice in law in Lahore. Iqbal's stay in Europe enabled him to study the Western civilization. He could see all its nakedness and shallowness. Instead of admiring the glamour, he became a critic of the Western civilization. To recognize the best, you have to see the worst. Iqbal described in his poetry the pitiable plight of the Indian Muslim. He composed his epoch-making poems Shikwa and Jawab-e-Shikwa. Some of his books are Bange Dara, Pale Jibril, Zarbe Kalim, Zabure Ajam, and Javed Nama. Iqbal poetry give a message of universal brotherhood, individual freedom, hope, and self-esteem. He believed in the fundamental rights of human being. His poetry has been translated into many other languages of the world. We shall always pay tribute to Ilham Iqbal for his unforgettable contribution towards the creation of a new homeland for us. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, ये था ऐसे जो मैंने आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किया। होप्स आप लोगों के लिए बेनिफिशियल रहेगा। और अगर आप लोगों को किसी भी टॉपिक की ज़रूरत है ऐसे की या कोई भी चीज़, तो आप लोग मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएं ताकि मैं आप लोगों को प्रोवाइड कर सकूं। अल्लाह हाफिज़।